Against the right-hander Jhony Brito. Good classic Yankees-Red Sox spring training uniform matchup here. The alternate blues for the Rail Riders, alternate Woo-Sock Reds for, here's the 1-0 to Sogard. Drops in for a strike, now miles per hour. Swing and a miss by Sogard, now 1 in. And the smoke continuing to bellow in from Canada. 2 strikes, 1 away in the first inning. Swing and a miss, good. Off speed from Jhony Brito, pulled the string back and gets the strikeout. We'll get our first look at Cedon Rafa. First pitch to Dahlbeck, taken for a strike. Jhony Brito gets a swing and a miss here. Goes off speed. This year, that is. Swing and a miss. And Jhony Brito gets a second strikeout on 3 pitches. Big breaking ball.
Narciso Crook in on the right side. Brito comes. Here's the 2-0. Here fast with a 3-0 as Narvi sets up on the inside. And the ball comes in 1 away. Here's the 3-1 sky high pop up back. 3 balls, 2 strikes. Steals, swing and a miss. Crook goes down on the changeup. Big out picked up there. Secondary by Jhony plus pitch. Comes to David Hamilton at the chest. Out of the stretch, he kicks and fires. Ground ball. Brito takes a deep breath. Here's the 0-2, and he gets Hamilton to chase. Back-to-back changeup strikeouts for Jhony Brito as he puts his 4th K on the board and sits down.
18th through 20th.
Rafaela chips.
This is much like May this year with 3 home series.
Sky back. Lap up the last few days of summer. Here's the 0-2. Checks his swing on the outside, and he goes around on the appeal down to first.
Third that reached the walk and the base hit unscathed otherwise.
So here's Bombi Dahlbeck in on the right side. Takes a big hack for Brito, the full windup on the first base side of the
curve too.
Here's the 1-2, and he gets him to chase. Change up, inside corner. Back-to-back Ks for Randy Vasquez. Ties a season high with 6 strikeouts here, only through the 4th.
At Omaha, and that game is a final from earlier today. Here's the 0-2. Swing and a miss. Jhony Brito gets the strikeout, his 7th of the night, a new season high.
Run on 2 hits, one of them being a home run to Willie Abreu as Narciso Crook. Here's the 0-1 to Crook, right in there. Kicks and fires, and Crook chases that breaking ball down and away, and the curve gets him. Strikeout number 8 for Jhony Brito, and he puts 1 away here in the 6th as he goes back to the top of the order with David Hamilton.